slowly but surely, new cases of COVID-19 have been dropping. Experts say we are not out of the woods just yet, but before the end of the year, we could see this latest surge finally subside. Chrissy Diaz is live in Atlanta with a look at what health experts expect over the next couple months. Chrissy.
It could get worse before it gets better, but there is a light at the end of this tunnel. And health experts say that light might shine brighter right around Thanksgiving. Now, health experts say this Delta wave will surge across the country and it will hit different regions at different times. But if we can hold on for about 2 more months, experts think this wave will play out and then we'll all be able to breathe a little bit easier.
There's still a lot of pockets of vulnerability, and this may be the last major wave of infection. I think by Thanksgiving, you'll have seen this move its way through the country. The virus isn't going away, but prevalence levels will decline to a level that feels more manageable.
So then the question is, what's manageable? Well, let's look at it in terms of numbers. At its peak, the highest 7-day average was about 160,000 cases per day. Well, Dr. Gottlieb, who you just heard from, says eventually that number will come down to about 20,000 cases, much more manageable there. And Aisha, it feels like at least a small ray of hope for hospitals who are still buckling under the strain of COVID-19.
A lot of us looking forward to that, Christy. So any ounce of hope, we are going to take it. Thank you. In effort to help keep infections down and possibly end the surge, the state will start offering COVID-19 Pfizer booster shots today. The shots will be offered to people who have been fully vaccinated with Pfizer's vaccine for at least 6 months. The state health department is following the CDC's lead on this one. So if you are 65 and older or you live in a long-term care setting, you are eligible. Or if you're 50 to 64 years old and you have some underlying medical conditions. Also, anyone ages 18 to 49 with underlying medical conditions may receive a booster, but right now it is not strongly recommended. The state health department says people 18 to 64 working or in a setting putting them at a greater risk for exposure should follow the same guidance. Tomorrow, Fulton County's health department will start offering booster shots to those who are eligible. You can start signing up for those shots today. Just go to the county's website for more on that. As vaccine booster shots roll out, we want to keep you informed about where our state stands with the current COVID vaccinations. New numbers this morning show 54% have at least 1 dose, while 47% are fully vaccinated, getting closer and closer to the 50% mark.